We love feeling it. Are you singing? Is that you're doing that?
I don't know what I'm doing, honestly.
Hey everybody, we are back live at Kalkstein with Tanisha here. This is part 2, so we adjusted her first. There she is. And we're going to go ahead and dry needle her neck for her and work into the upper trap. So we're going to be working into the sides, the muscles on the sides of her spine, where we got those trigger points that knot. See that roll over? That's the guy we are going to get into. So, little clean in the area, working into the upper trap. Alright. Good. A little tap in. Yeah.
He's angry.
What do we want to name this guy? I'm feeling Frederick.
Right. Frederick. He's been there a minute.
That one was a tough guy. I'm going to get one up a little higher here. Kind of getting towards that suboccipital. Good.
Spicy.
Do you like spicy?
I don't know if I like the spicy today.
You don't like the spicy today?
Oof.
That was a good one too. I'm going to match the other one on the other side for you.
Oh, joy.
It's what you love. It's why we're here.
Woo.
Yeah. We love it. We love feeling it. Are you singing? Is that you're doing that?
I don't know what I'm doing, honestly.
Good. Got one more in this upper trap here, and we'll get the same on the other side. There it goes.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
That wasn't bad till the end.
You said you're like, felt fine till that last part. There it goes. Felt that twitch there too. Last one till I leave you. There it goes too. All right. So we're going to let these sit for 10 minutes. You get to hang out and chill. We'll be back to take them out. All right. Thanks, everybody.